Hey guys, welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. Alright, this is going to be a fun episode. I am making the bike back into a rolling chassis so I can see where things go, and this time I'm going to install the oil tank. It's a TC Brothers oil tank, and got to weld on the bungs, got to weld on the mounts, and I hope you enjoy it. Alrighty guys. I had somebody in my comments ask me if this hardtail lengthened the overall length of the bike, and apparently it did. Here's my chain. It shows the chain is not nearly long enough. Alright, let me get on this. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing. Alright, got to mount the oil tank. This is a TC Brothers oil tank. Alright, I love it. Feels heavy duty. Everything looks cool. Alright, let me bring you over here and show you what I'm going to be doing. Okay, let me get this. There we go. There's what everything. Oh, shit! God, that almost knocked me out. Great, perfect. Perfect! Man, I'm right on. My game is on, baby. Alright. Alright. Okay. What they give you are these tabs. These are the two side tabs. They are going to mount on each side of the upright here. And this one, this third tab, this one's going to mount underneath the tank here. So, let me see. I got out, this is called a speed wood right here. You put this in any Sportster and it gives you about an extra 10 horsepower. So I'm going to set that right there. Let me see. I'll put this in here just to kind of hold everything in place while I get ready to tack stuff up. Alright, I tacked these in. Okay, now I'm going to pull these rubber grommets out so they don't melt when I weld it up. And thank goodness a grinder and paint makes you the welder you ain't. There it is. I put it right here in front of this post because if it's behind it and it's right in here, then when I put my battery, got my battery tray to put in, which I'm gonna hopefully do next time, I won't have any problem getting my battery up and out if I need to.